Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. And for any of you content creators out there, you know that microphones when working with mirrorless cameras or DSLRs can sometimes be a hassle. In fact, we ourselves were in this position recently where we wanted to get a wireless microphone kit and everything was either too expensive or just not practical. So that's where Rode's new wireless Go kit came in. So this is a wireless microphone setup from Rode. It's actually very interesting because it doesn't follow the usual packaging strategy or even the component strategy. You know what, I'm just going to stop talking and show you what's inside this box. So let's just unbox it quickly. There you go. So this is essentially following a clip-on design instead of the usual, hook that you get with such microphones. And surprisingly, it's also extremely compact. So when you open the box up, both the transmitter and the receiver are in here, and it's very, very small. So this in here is the transmitter and the receiver together. This is the Rode Wireless Go receiver. It is super small. I don't even know how small, like what I could compare this to, but the idea is that it uses a clip. This clip can either go into your camera's hot shoe, or you could actually clip it onto a camera strap or whatever you may want to, and it works over the 2.4 gigahertz wireless range. It has a Type-C based charger, which means there's an inbuilt battery and you can charge it using a Type-C cable. So that's the receiver, and then here over on this side is the transmitter. Everything's packaged pretty tight, so let's just quickly pull everything out. There we go. There we go. And this is the receiver. Super compact. Again, the microphone is on top over here, but in case you want to use a lavalier mic with this thing, you can plug it in over here. There is a mic input jack and you can plug this into. Now you'll have to make sure that the microphone you're getting is actually compatible with this socket. So that's some research that you're going to have to do. Again, a built-in battery type charges over USB Type-C, and the pairing on this with the receiver is actually pretty seamless. You just turn both of them on and they will automatically pair. Probably because they're paired out of the factory, but it's really seamless. That's really cool about this setup. Now you've got that. What else do you get in the box? So you have a Type-C cable to charge the system. In fact, Rode gives you two Type-C cables in the box to charge these. So essentially there's one cable for each. There is a 3.5 mm cable. This is the SC2 cable. What this is, essentially you plug one end into the receiver or the Rode receiver and the other one goes into the camera. So that's basically how you're going to record the audio stream from this microphone into your camera. You also get two windshields. So this is really cool because at the back of the shield here, there are clips which plug into the transmitter over here. So you're not basically getting something just wiggling around. You don't have to tape it down. It just clips on in there and stays pretty secure. And what's really cool is that Rode actually bundles two of them in the box, not just one. So in case you lose one or the clips break, you have a spare. There's of course some regulatory information as usual, and best of all, a carrying pouch. This is very cool because you can just throw everything in here. There's enough space for everything and goes in your bag. In fact, if you're wearing cargo trousers, you can actually put this in your pocket as well. So that's essentially all you get inside the box of Rode's new wireless Go microphone system. It's pretty cool in that it eliminates wires entirely. Like, it's truly wireless because you just plug let's say you take this transmitter, you clip it onto your shirt, and the microphone does all the work. And if you feel that's not elegant enough, you can still plug in a lavalier mic, so you have that flexibility. And that's what's really cool about this setup. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in case you have any questions, there's the comment section below. Leave your queries and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you guys for watching.